So we're looking at a chart, a weekly chart of the Beyond Meat Mania. And this is prompted by actually a conversation that I was having with trader Daniel Shea yesterday on Twitter when she highlighted her going long Beyond Meat looking for a short squeeze. And we got into a short conversation pertaining to me saying essentially early shorts will definitely be quaking and be getting burned. But if you are a short who is patient and know your levels, then you know that just when momentum is starting and Beyond Meat being such a thin security, there is no way that you could be adding heavy at these levels. And Beyond Meat was at 105 yesterday when we were having this conversation. So I decided to take an in-depth look for you guys to go through a little bit of price level analysis on Beyond Meat. Given this weekly bullish bar that we had yesterday, that we had last week, and closing at the highs, this was signaling not a guaranteed, but a high probability signal of a shift in momentum. And so, coming into this on a weekly bar, you can clearly see that we have no meaningful resistance in Beyond Meat until at least you get to around the 155 level. Meaningful resistance, meaningful opportunity for uh, aggressive sellers to come in and perhaps slow the upward momentum and then cause price to possibly turn. That is not to say on a short-term basis, given Beyond Meat's large intraday price ranges, that there will not be tactical short opportunities. It means that on a longer term time frame, you can clearly see that this spot here yesterday at 105 was definitively not the spot to be even thinking of going in, as we would say, balls deep long. Sorry, balls deep short on Beyond Meat. That is simply asking for trouble. Perhaps a tactical short, as they did have maybe like a 4 point drop intraday from the high, the day's high at 108 to I believe 104. But after that, that tactical short was exhausted. There is no reason to be dipping short here aggressively because we have now entered into what many would probably call a vacuum, a volume vacuum, all the way from just here at around 92. No meaningful volume until the at least the low 150s. So Beyond Meat can certainly within the next 2 or 3 weeks absolutely make a run to 150 once more very easily without much of an additional catalyst other than, as Daniel rightly pointed out, short covering and the fact that we are in a bullish market, expanding price ranges, bullish momentum to the upside. I would not be short Beyond Meat here. Meaningfully short, yes, a tactical short here and there intraday, but not meaningfully short this at all until we get and see how price responds to this 155, 156 level. Be safe out there today, guys. Keep it simple, smarty.